Aduku tigillautautararpun 3DS billassan tigilluarti.
Silent Hill: The Short Message.
A long time no game. Star mojita tamakkernikungeriaa kunaasariaqarparaa ilaa.
What? But I jumped off the building. Even if I die, this doesn't end. How many times do I have to go through this?
Find it. How can I get you to forgive me? Please, Maya, tell me. Why won't you say anything?
Maria not. Kamangarias.
I ended up heading to the roof of the villa. Couldn't help but think of the girl who jumped to her death last year. Actually, a lot of girls killed themselves here. All teens, supposedly. Now the place is a famous spot for people to kill themselves. Looking down from the roof, I could see how high up I was. The thought of a light breeze sending me flying made me feel a little queasy. Were they not scared? What was going through their heads? Were they jumping away from something, or to something?
똑같적부가 스타 emoji. Kamangarakan pisokang duksok. Siyan ninaliak tayakakpatan ispillo.
Don't you dare go outside!
Don't you dare! You're outside! Okay! Let's go!
It's locked.
Oh. Nice. Why not? Okay. What's your name?
It's locked.
Goes. Shibuji may bakit? Tama. Missing is a siyong de asak chito.
The Silent Hill phenomenon. The suicide rate has increased around the world, in large part due to the struggles brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic, with countries still unsure how best to handle the issue. These trying times have also given rise to a strange phenomenon in many areas. Those affected suddenly claim to see fog even on fair weather days and lose consciousness shortly after. This has come to be known as the Silent Hill phenomenon, named after a similar event that occurred in an eponymous U.S. town. The first to propose a theory explaining why this could be happening is Dr. X, a social psychologist at university, who had the following to say on the matter. Less than. To one who is psychologically unstable, fog represents uncertainty and sensory illusions. When in a state of high stress, one's vision may become obscured or tunneled, as if one is wandering through a dense fog or mist. Societal uncertainty or apprehension about the future manifests as fog, thus blurring the lines between illusion and reality. As time goes on, we are seeing more and more cases of the Silent Hill phenomenon. In response, Dr. X calls for a rapid rebuilding of society, as well as a stronger emphasis on counseling and mental health care for the young.
Yeah. Technology. Just check it out, babe. nakakausap ko nga. Pwede mo sinari at okaro. Ayaw.
Wait, me and my mom lived here. This is our living room.
Non scene home. Living room.
December 29th, 2011. I've finally lost touch with him. I'll never see him again. I thought I found my happily ever after, but it was all a dream. However, I haven't lost everything. I still have my children, my cute little angels who light up my life.
Alas, squish! Narong ira, sinakto so. Aksing ira ka. Sumaksin na sa ruwa. Mukanak suga ko. Woo! Ah! Okay, stop remote. To the back! I'm alive! I'm dead! Peter from...
Why won't you listen to a damn thing I say?
I don't know! I don't care! Shut the fuck up!
February 10th, 2012. My new man showed up to my place today with pizza. Children definitely need a father, but they still won't take to him. He looked annoyed when he left. I hope he doesn't hate me. My daughter drew a picture of our family. We're smiling and holding hands. I wish she would have drawn him as well. Maybe she doesn't realize he might join our family? She is slower than other kids her age. I'm sure she'll catch up and pass them soon enough. I know how to raise a child. I'm a good mother. I'm nothing like that heartless bitch who raised me. I won't fill my children with hate and fear.
Squish. Chuway ni nga masako tama tukatsi ko. Ba't kang sakin kadwa ka ni? I'm so hungry. I'm sorry everyone. Nakakusok po nga. Utok-atok po nga tamasin nun.
He showed up again with a smile on his face and a pizza in his hands from the new place he was raving about. My daughter hated the pizza, though. She's extremely picky. I should probably teach her to eat things she doesn't like. I know I was forced to eat things I hated when I was a kid, but I guess it has to be done. The kids finally blew up in front of him today. He was exhausted from work and said he just wanted to relax. He makes me feel so good, but I can't do the same for him. Maybe I'm not strict enough with them. We need him for a happy life, and I need them to realize that. I know it's probably a little harsh, but maybe if they don't see the light for a while, they'll finally see the light in him. He told me the banging on the closet door was making it hard for him to unwind. If they would just be quiet for a little bit, everything would be fine. What's wrong with them? He doesn't visit as much as he used to. If I don't figure something out, I may never see him again.
Come on, squish.
I'm giving up my life for you!
Ah! I'm sorry, too. God. Sige nga sungano. Maroon misiyas nga.
Everything seems to be going well now that we've been going out on dates. He was worried about my kids, so he bought them a bunch of books and toys. That should be enough to keep them occupied, right? I've been going out so much lately that I've left the place in a bit of a mess. I should clean it, but by the time I get back I have no energy. I got contacted by the Child Welfare Center. I guess some nosy bitch or asshole in my building reported hearing a child crying at night in my place. The fuck do they know? He hasn't called me much lately. Am I destined to be alone? Everyone else is out enjoying life, while I'm working my ass off raising kids. Why am I the fucking bad guy? If I hadn't had children, maybe I'd be planning my summer vacation with my friends right now. Nothing matters anymore. I'm just crawling through life. I know what's going on in the closet, but I can't look. I just want to be happy. What's wrong with that? I'm done.
จ้วงเลยปากกา
Stop.
Come on. Okay.
Mrs. Krista Plainert, we have reached out to you repeatedly but have yet to receive a response. We take this to mean you have no intention of remedying this issue. You are in violation of German Civil Code Article 1631 Section 2. Accordingly, the federal court has instructed us to take your children. Should you have any objections to this, please contact us as soon as possible. Frank Fisher Kettenstadt Child Welfare Center.
Squeeze. Cool.
Boy found dead in refrigerator. Mother arrested August 4, 2012. A boy was found dead today in a refrigerator in the home of his 41-year-old mother, Person A, who was arrested by local authorities for hiding the body. Person A claims to have locked her son in the closet for more than a day to punish him, and when she noticed he wasn't moving the next morning, she hid his lifeless body in the refrigerator. Investigators are conducting an autopsy to determine the cause of death. According to the investigation, Person A's daughter ran to a neighbor's house to call the police and report her mother for neglect. When detectives arrived at the house, they discovered her brother's body in the refrigerator and arrested the mother after she confessed to her crime.
You disobeyed me again! You can just stay in there! Don't lock me in here! Let me out! This is all your fault! Bad things happen because of you! You should never have been born! You're a burden! A curse for my mother! Yeah, that's exactly it! My mother yelled at me, hit me, locked me up! She inflicted the curse on my womb, and I gave it life! I'm sorry, Mom! Mom, let me out! Please don't leave me! Mom! Please don't leave me! Please don't leave me! I'm a curse. You always said you'd be better off without me. You're not my daughter! You're a burden! A curse for my mother! You're wrong, Mom. I am your daughter. And just like you, I'm cursed.
Chyba są
Why am I seeing this room here in the villa? I tried so hard to forget this place.
Sumaklo tan de viaxia kamera chipingo narawa masakwa ngak sa mafon de pisokaktuan. Toka na rock pa tokin na ko. Cool. Da ba mình ngộ. Anh xuống á mình ngộ. Yeah! Oi! Here we go again, I'm dead!
I'm sorry, Mom!
Hello, Mom! Hey! Where am I? Where am I? Where am I going? Left, right, going, but not going. Hey! Love you! I love you too! Nope. Ah, keep going. Mini anymore.
What are you hiding inside?
Where am I? Where am I? Yep. I like this. I like this. Wow. No, 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 no.
What's that? Oh, you like what you see?
Ah. Yep. Yep. Easy. Yep. I like this. Hey! Ayun.
I really like what you drew me way back.
Easy son of a bitch. Maybe you?
You're into art, right? You could audit an art class.
I'm sorry! I'm so sorry!
Wow.
You're way too hard on yourself. Am I gonna be alone forever?
Kisame! Si vittu chilgaruaqpaata saniarpasukаарninni.
February 21st. I've been really absorbed in my work lately. I decided to paint the girls who jumped off the villa roof. I'd like to think they left this place for something better. I think I might finally be free of my despair, because I've never felt this inspired. I'm going to put every last bit of myself into this piece. My roof piece is almost done. It might actually be my crowning achievement. But once this is done, then what? Do I have it in me to come up with something even better? How much longer can I enjoy the fame and praise I get now? Is there despair and disappointment waiting for me right around the corner? The sadness that gripped me before has clawed its way back into my mind. I guess it was always there. Who knows how often it'll show up? The thought makes my skin crawl. Maybe I should just end things while I'm still happy. Go out on a good note. I wish I could talk to someone about all this. At approximately 1 p.m. on the 12th, popular graffiti artist S.V. Maya A.C.O. Hindenburg was found collapsed on the grounds of an apartment building in Kettenstadt. She was pronounced dead at the hospital. The death of the 18-year-old girl comes as a shock to not only local community members, but also to all those who were familiar with her work. Authorities believe the cause of death may be suicide, but given her popularity and the lack of warning signs to her peers, they have not ruled out foul play and are proceeding with a full-scale investigation.
Wait. She killed herself half a year ago? Then that means I've been here this whole time? What'll it take for you to forgive me? Please, end this. Just let me die.
Okay.
Is this me? When did she draw this?
I want to show the hidden side of girls. Their impulses, their urges. What are you hiding inside? Don't worry about what people think. Be proud.
So, she did notice me.
Star mo siya magkapur. Bla 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 bla. Mamaya maraksoft kasyo nga. Nope.
I was so happy when my mom liked the first picture I drew. I could have had a different life, too. I guess someone finally did love me.
Cool.
You actually noticed me. I never thought you would. Emily, what should I do?
Sinambidi qarsaating issuat. Umas yaqsarassanaqlutaqun yaqsarassanaqluti kuumaqqangunartutinu nawangal pisingisan.
Anita, what's up?
I'm sorry, Amelie. I'm such a piece of shit. I had no idea she'd do that.
What are you talking about? Did something happen?
I thought I was invisible. That I didn't matter. No matter what anyone said. I didn't listen.
Anita?
But you and Maya, both of you did see me. I should have figured that out sooner.
Anita? Wait. Where are you right now?
Thank you, Amelie. You were always there for me. I'm going to go apologize to Maya now.
Wait! Anita! Calm down. Just listen to me.
Amelie. Amelie.
I am here for you, Anita.
Seeking a connection with others is a sign of weakness. It's running away. The strongest animals don't form groups. They act alone and need only themselves to survive. Those who betray themselves to fit into a group are pathetic. There's no beauty in living like that. But I don't really mind. I just want someone to understand me. For those I love, and for those who love me, I want to keep moving forward and never look back to 18-year-old me.
No, nakukisami. Spilin udah minyak saya kesenang. Uang ada paksa pas itu dari orang langsung Tatatang. Non nakak. Kayak tatak kesenir. Madak susu pikon narangin lam. Inak tak wasakam.
Moving day. It feels kind of scary leaving my hometown, but I'll be fine. I have my best friend with me.
Loneliness creeping
Cool.
to my soul.
Kisami na ako. Nakatatak na nga na. Tapos naman unip po nga. Unip ba? No, spilin nyo dami. Kaya kasi nga masagot. Spilin na rin ko tawak. Agkakangayang mani ko. Agkaklasasyon ko. Spilin nga tiyarararok pa. Masagot na ako kisami. Okay na sinasnoopy, sinaksak sa masis na masibas, pilino damot na kush. Bye-bye! Kabi!